Do you want to learn new skills? Well, follow the steps and create this beautiful design with the spiral knot. Let's begin. These are today's materials. This is of 45 centimeters, and before we start, we're gonna melt it. This is of 140 centimeters. For the spiral knot, we're gonna start making like a basic knot, with the difference that we're gonna make the knot just at one side. In this case, we're gonna use the left side. Make sure just to work with the left side. We're gonna continue making the spiral knot until we have 5 centimeters. Once we are ready with the spiral knot, we're gonna start introducing the crystals in the middle. We're gonna take the first crystal and we're gonna make a basic knot to separate each other. We're gonna continue with the crystals until we have 5 centimeters. Once we introduce the last crystal, we're gonna continue making the spiral knot. It means that we're gonna make the knot just at the left side. Once we finish making the spiral knot, we're gonna cut the rest of the thread and we're gonna melt it. The complete bracelet is about 15 centimeters. As one of the last steps, we're gonna make the basic knot. This is 25 centimeters. Now we're gonna cut the rest of the thread and we're gonna melt it. Now we're gonna introduce one crystal in each side. As the last steps, we're gonna cut and melt it. This is how it looks at the end. The bracelet with the spiral knot is a really good option for you if you want to increase your sales. It is a beautiful and easy design. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.